Welcome to Mechanical Engineering Study Program. We will give you a quick tour on our laboratories. Here, we are in the Mechanical Production Engineering Laboratory, located right across the Faculty of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering building, also known as Lab Tech 2. This laboratory is one of the biggest laboratories owned by the Mechanical Engineering Department, and it supports many activities including lectures, production centers, staff training, practicums, and even collaboration between departments and faculties. Let's take a look at the lab. This lab is divided into two sections. On the first floor, we have the workshop area. This is where we have our machining tools, such as our 2 3-axis CNC machines, lathe and milling machines, and several robotic arms. On the second floor, we have a computation center with 3D printer device, a tensilon machine, several lecturers' offices, and a classroom. There is also a programmable logic control and robotic room. Let's have a quick tour and see the equipment that we have. This is our tensilon machine, a versatile machine to test tensile and compression on components parts or materials for research purposes. We also have computation room. Here, we can make a 3D modeling in computer, which later can be made using a 3D printer devices. We can find our 2 FDM type 3D printers in this room. We are now in the Programmable Logic Control or PLC room. This is where students and researchers learn and conduct PLC research and microcontroller system. We also can see 2 robotic arms in this room. This is the main spot of our lab, the workshop floor, where education, research, or projects alike are put to work. Over there, we have 2 3-axis CNC machines. These machines help us in various projects and research. Here are other workshop tools used for various projects and practicums. We also have these lathe machines that can be used by students. Next, the Industrial Metrology Laboratory, located on the south of West General Lecture Building, or we call it GKU Barat Building. This laboratory is where the dimensional and geometrical measurement for mechanical, health, industrial, and many other products were inspected. This laboratory supports many activities such as lectures, training, practicum, and even collaboration between departments and faculties, as well as other industries. Research in this laboratory focuses on product development, machine tools quality, precision machinery inspection, parametric design, and all about geometric and dimensioning tolerancing on product application. This is our form tracer machine from MITUTOYO. It's used to measure the geometric parameter of a product surface. We also have profile projector from MITUTOYO. This machine is capable of doing an evaluation of gear and threads quality or other profiles that can be evaluated using straight line property. Besides those machines, we also have MITUTOYO MF microscope, suitable for measuring dimensions and angles for a small and complex part precisely. Finally, meet our Shaw XL80 laser interferometer, one of the most accurate and extremely portable calibration laser. Capable in measuring length and the shape of optical component with nanometer precision, this kind of device has the highest precision length measuring instrument in existence. Now, we arrive at the PPTI building, or also known as Center for Technology and Industrial Development. Recently, ITB and CAMTIC Korea, Advanced Mechatronics Technology Institute for Commercialization, formalized the collaborative program for machine tool development in Indonesia. This program will be held in the PPTI building. This building is not only the cradle of machine tools development in the country, but also a facility for education. Currently, the only operational area of this building is the basement and the 4th floor. We are still currently expanding additional functions in other floors for offices. In this floor, we have a vast array of machine and training tools from our collaboration with CAMTIC from South Korea. Here are some of our most advanced tools in the lab. Over here is our NC simulator, which was brought here by the Indonesia-South Korea Cooperation for technicians and assistants training. The CAMTIC tool is an equipment from our collaboration with South Korea. This tool includes the GOMT NARA 4308 lathe unit, drilling machine, sewing machine, vertical grinding machine, and other equipment that will be imported over the next year to support our machine tools for research. The MITUTOYO CRYSTA Apex CMM is a measuring machine that has an accuracy of up to 1 micron to verify dimensional and geometrical tolerances. It can also be used to scan surfaces and transfer them into CAD format, which is very convenient for reverse engineering parts or modeling certain complex geometry. The OKAMOTO grinding machine is a CNC grinding machine used to meet the needs of certain surface smoothness criteria from high accuracy machine components. Next, the metal cutting is a tool used for various machining processes. Last, we have the MAKINO EDM machine. This is one of our machine tools with non-conventional manufacturing techniques using EDM wire. It is an advanced machine with high-speed production capacity and superior surface finish quality for components with complex geometry. We are now in the Fluid Machinery Laboratory located in Lab Tech 2. Fluid Machinery Laboratory is a facility to support the research and educational activities related to fluid mechanics and fluid machinery. There are several equipment in this laboratory to support the research and lecture related to machinery, such as micro hydro installation testing facility and an open and closed channel water tunnel. To support lecture activities, this laboratory provides pipe friction module for student practicum. This is the pipe friction unit, a newly acquired one, to replace the previously owned older unit. With this unit, students can learn the effects of friction in the piping system and the demonstration of the head loss from surface roughness friction inside the piping system. This module is part of practical modules for students in their 6th semester. Here, we are in the Refrigeration Laboratory located in Lab Tech 2. Refrigeration Laboratory is a facility to support the research and lecture activities related to refrigeration, air conditioning, refrigerant development, and process engineering. Refrigeration Engineering Laboratory consists of 2 floors. On the first floor, there are several equipment for practicum works as well as a research equipment. This is a multi-purpose duct which is used for phenomena that occur in thermodynamic properties of air. Students use it in their practical work, an application for engineering thermodynamics course. We evaluate the thermodynamic properties of air through psychometric diagrams. Now, we are in the Thermal Energy Laboratory. The Thermal Energy Laboratory is one of the facilities to support the research and educational activities related to heat transfer and thermal engineering. The Thermal Energy Laboratory is one of the oldest laboratories in the Mechanical Engineering Department, ITB. One of the main equipment in this laboratory is the mini steam power plant, and students use this equipment for 2 practicums in mechanical engineering lectures, Mechanical Engineering Laboratory and Basic Mechanical Phenomena. This is the mini steam power plant, which is used for the practicum course, Basic Phenomena and Mechanical Engineering course, and Mechanical Engineering Laboratory course. The boiler part of the system uses diesel fuel, and this boiler is just recently replaced and renewed. With this system, students can have hands-on approach in power generation process. Here, we have computer-controlled heat conduction unit to study the demonstration of thermal conduction in materials. This heat conduction unit is a newly acquired equipment using the latest available technology and used for the practicum basic phenomenon on mechanical engineering course.